guys, welcome back. Sorry for another late upload. It is almost 10:30 at night. Anyways, so much stuff going on in life right now. I'm just so busy, and I don't even know about tomorrow's video. That ones might not even happen. But anyways, so basically same thing as yesterday, just boxing out all day. Had to go around with the marker or the Sharpie and mark out some of the units that were already labeled. Basically, you just go around and you measure off where the boxes go. So like when you walk in the door, you got 49 inches for the switches because 1 inch for jibcrete, and so basically those are 48 inches all said and done. And then you got your plugs at 21, which is actually 20. Basically there's all these measurements for different things, for the entry lights, the switches, the plugs, the kitchen. There's a little desk. Since it's a hotel, you got a little desk. And yeah, there's stuff in the closet. There's TVs and all that stuff are all different heights. Basically, it all ends up kind of looking like this, minus the wire. So right now you just got all the boxes everywhere like such. And so yeah, that's basically all I did today. Super simple. My apprentice coworker wasn't there. That's been helping me out, Austin. So it's just me and the boss dude. Which I actually know I don't know if I mentioned this, but I actually know his other two brothers from other companies that I worked at. So that's super cool to work with the last brother in the electrical field. So anyways, cool story. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing. And tomorrow he's going to be gone, so it's just going to be me and the apprentice, or just me. So I'm going to be boxing out, and then when I run out of boxes to mount that he marked out, then I'll have to go through and mark out, which I'm not really looking forward to. So hopefully the apprentice is there to do that, because otherwise I'll have to figure all that stuff out, which I'm not really looking forward to, but it's all not that big a deal. Basically I can just walk back into the other units if I have any questions, and refer to those as to where things are going. And yeah, so I just gotta hang some lights tomorrow, box out, and then maybe mark out. So that should do it. And there was another thing he told me I could do, but I forgot, so I'll try to remember that tomorrow. But anyways, the exciting announcement, like the thumbnail or the description says of the video, basically I'm going back to my company next week to work. So that means actual videos of the job site, guys. So I'm excited. It's going to be a new job. Well, it's not a new job site. I worked there before on the underground slab. If you remember, like 2 or 3 months ago, I don't know, maybe 4 months ago, to where I was doing all those like 3.5 inch conduits, 90 up in the dirt. So anyways, I'm going back there, and I'm assuming the roof is on, and assuming I will be doing some kind of lift work in the ceiling with EMT pipe and stuff like that. So it'll be fun. I'm really looking forward to that. It's like 5 miles from my house, which is amazing, and a 10-minute drive, so not this 20-25 miles to work each morning. Get up an hour early and take an hour or more to get home. And yeah, so super nice. It's gonna be awesome. Super close job site and super quick drive home, and that means more sleeping in and more everything. So hopefully you guys will enjoy seeing more videos on the job site again, because I really miss them myself, and I don't really feel like you guys enjoy these videos that much. Looking at pictures. So anyways, that's exciting. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And yeah, everything else I just forgot. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you guys back here tomorrow for Friday, hopefully. Just because I'm going to be super busy, but I think I should have time. Yeah, but anyways, if not, then you know what I did. Just going to be basically the stuff. And check out the description for all social medias. And if you want to donate or anything like that, help me out or support the channel, then there's information for that as well. If not, no pressure. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do a live stream or upload new videos, guys. Thanks so much. God bless. Peace out. See you soon.